प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग हेयर बेस्ट सीरीज़ फॉर लर्निंग इंग्लिश। इसी के ज़िम्मन में आज हम 6 लेटर वर्ड्स पढ़ने वाले हैं। द वर्ड्स हैविंग 6 लेटर्स कॉल्ड 6 लेटर वर्ड्स। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम रीडिंग 6 लेटर वर्ड्स। लिसन, रिपीट एंड रिमेंबर देयर स्पेलिंग्स। मैं 6 लेटर वर्ड्स पढ़ रहा हूँ, आप इन्हें सुनिए, रिपीट कीजिए और इन्हें याद रखिए। ABACUS, Abacus. CAMPUS, Campus. FAMOUS, Famous. CABINS, Cabins. FACIAL, Facial. RATING, Rating. EATING, Eating. TIMING, timing. TRYING, trying. FLYING, flying. CRYING, crying. EASTER, Easter. FASTER, faster. HARDER, harder. FATHER, father. MOTHER, mother. HAZARD, hazard. HABITS, habits. CREDIT, credit. FARMER, farmer. DARKER, darker. STICKER, sticker. JUDGED, judged. BADGED, badged. JUMPED, jumped. FEARED, feared. LACKED, lagged. BAGGED, begged. DAIDLY, deadly. MAINLY, manly. GENTLY, gently. INJURY, injury. FAILED, failed. EARNED, earned. BOTTLE, bottle. CATTLE, cattle. STABLE, stable. FAMILY, family. LATELY, lately. EFFECT, effect. IMPACT, impact. CLOSED, closed. OPENED, opened. HAMMER, hammer. DEDLY, deadly. DEEPLY, deeply. DANCER, dancer. MARKER, marker. JACKET, jacket. PACKET, packet. HATRED, headed. LAWFUL, lawful. LAWYER, lawyer. HEALTH, health. WEALTH, wealth. DEBATE, debate. DECAD, decade. LAPTOP, laptop. LADIS, ladis. MARGIN, margin. SLOWLY slowly, YEARLY yearly, INCOME income, HANDLE handle, MOTION motion, LOTION lotion, SEASON season। प्यारे बच्चों, आप इन वर्ड्स को स्पेलिंग के साथ याद कीजिए और अपनी कॉपी में तहरीर कीजिए।